Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update Microsoft PowerToys to the latest version step by step. Keeping PowerToys up to date gives you access to new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and the latest security updates. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows computer. Once the application launches, look at the menu on the left and click General. Scroll through the General settings until you find the Updates section. Here, you'll see your current version along with an option to check for updates. Next, click Check for Updates. PowerToys will automatically search for the latest available version. If an update is found, you'll be prompted to download and install it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue. During the update process, PowerToys may close and restart automatically. That's completely normal and helps ensure the new version is installed correctly. Wait for the installation to finish before reopening the application. If the built-in update option isn't available or doesn't work, you can always visit the official Microsoft PowerToys website or the official GitHub releases page to download the latest installer manually. Running the new installer will update your existing version without removing your settings in most cases. After the update is complete, open PowerToys again and return to the General section to confirm that the latest version is now installed. This also lets you verify that all your favorite utilities are working as expected. And that's it. You now know how to update Microsoft PowerToys quickly and safely. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone!